So finding your sexiness. It might not be what you think right away, because sexiness is not all about how you look. It's more about how you project yourself, which is actually more related to what's inside you and what's going on. Sexiness is about having the confidence that you love yourself, that you accept all things about yourself. Because we all have things that we don't like about ourselves. We all have things that we hide and we don't tell everybody about. And sometimes we have some really kind of deep things, guilt or shame, that we hold on to. And actually, we create in our mind that that's some huge deal, when probably to the outside world it's really not that big of a deal. And when you accept your whole self, then you're starting to live a much vibrant, happy life. And that's what charisma is all about. That's what being sexy is all about. It's about loving your whole self and doing everything that you do in life 100%. So finding what you're passionate about, what you love in life, and really, you know, put your whole into everything that you do, your work, your family life, and to love everything you do and love all parts of you. And when you get to that point, you just are sexy. It just shines because it is just you. And people look at you and they say, wow, that person has a lot of charisma, they have a lot of charm, but it's you just in your life and involved, and the more passionate you are in your life, the more people are going to look at you and say, wow, I admire that.